Hi, so today this is my reassessment video for I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to inspect and then auscultate the 4 quadrants of the abdomen, and then I'm going to also test the patency of Lindsay's nares, and then I'm also going to go ahead and test her strength of her upper and lower extremities. So first I'm going to go ahead and listen to her 4 different quadrants: her upper left quadrant, her lower left quadrant, or her right lower quadrant and her right upper quadrant. First I'm going to inspect to see if there's any type of irregularities, any bulges or anything coming out, anything that looks odd or irregular. And this looks completely normal. So next I would go ahead and auscultate. For this, I'm going to be listening for different bowel sounds to make sure that you will be able to tell if there is any sounds that are going on inside. If there's not, that could be a sign of an obstruction or something that could be irregular inside of Lindsay's stomach or abdomen area or in her intestines. For this situation right now, everything sounds normal. So I hear normal sounds in all 4 of the quadrants. There's no irregularities or no silence or anything like that. The next step I'm going to have Lindsay do, I'm going to help her stand up, and we're going to assess the patency of her nares.
Thank you.
All right, for this next part, I'm gonna be kind of close to Lindsay's face here. For this next part, I'm gonna have Lindsay tilt her head back, and I'm gonna be assessing the patency of her nares. I'm gonna be looking for roundness and symmetry between the 2 of them to make sure that everything looks normal. There's no one side larger than another, one side not round, and it looks like Lindsay's breathing out of her nose also. That's a good sign for respirations if we're tracking that also. And then the last thing we're going to go ahead and do with Lindsay is we're going to test her strength of her upper extremities and her lower extremities. So first we're going to start with your upper extremities. Lindsay, I'm going to go ahead and stick my arms out, and then what I'm going to have you do is stick your arms out on top over mine, and then not using your hands, you're going to use your arms, and you're going to try to push down on my arms. Yes, good job. Try to just use your arms. Very good. Next we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to have you push up on my arms. Very good, nice and strong. Next we're going to do the same thing with the lower extremities. We're going to start with this upper portion of her thigh. I'm going to put my arms up right here, and Lindsay, I'm going to put my arms here, or my hands here, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and lift up and push against them at the same time. Very good, that's good, yes. Next, I'm going to put my hands underneath, and we're going to lift your legs up. Lift your legs up all the way if you can. And then now push down on mine. There we go, very strong. And then next we're going to go on the front side of her shins, of her calves, and I'm going to have you go ahead and push out. Very strong, okay, and I'll put my hands behind and have you pull in. Nice job. Next, we're going to assess your feet strength. So I'm going to have you stick your feet out, kind of like this. Yeah, very good. That's the dorsiflex your feet, very good. And then I'm going to have you push out, push up. Now push against, very good, push against. And then next, very good. And next, I'm going to have you push down with your feet. There you go, very good. And that concludes the assessment of Lindsay's patency of nares, her abdomen, all 4 of the quadrants, and the testing of her strength of her upper extremities and her lower extremities. Thanks for watching.